I'm on the mains. Putting fuel pumps on. Mixture rich.
November 3 Delta Fox traffic, 11 o'clock, about 3 miles out is a Cessna turning a left base for runway 1.
And we're looking for that traffic. Thanks, 3 Delta Fox. Do not have that traffic, although it's on the scope.
November 3 Delta Fox, are you able to make a single right 360 for spacing?
Sure can. 3 Delta Fox, give you a right 360. No lower, because now I'm going over the high part of the power line. There's the power lines down there. They were once hit by a Greek tanker. Thus they have those armor plating around them now, the concrete piers. All right, I'm climbing.